What's up everyone? Thanks for tuning in. Today we are going to make the mysterious grenadine. So all of our lives we have been tricked into thinking that a Shirley Temple is Sprite plus grenadine. Well, grenadine in Italian means pomegranates, so it has nothing to do with those artificial cherries in red food coloring. They just named their company Pomegranates despite making cherries. How confusing. A true grenadine is a reduced pomegranate syrup. It is viscous and everything it touches turns pink or light purple. It is a beautiful ingredient to work with. Pomegranates are deep, delicious, and slightly acidic. They are only in season for a couple months out of the year depending on your climate and landscape. Thankfully, palm produces a decent juice that is low on sugar. With that being said, let's go over what's needed to make authentic grenadine. Pomegranates or palm juice, cane sugar, a measuring cup, a funnel, and a glass bottle. Alright, let's begin this adventure by heating up 2 cups of pomegranate juice and half a cup of sugar on your stove. The ratio is 4 to 1. We are going to want to reduce the total volume to 60% of the original amount. So bring to a low simmer, and once about half of the liquid has evaporated, remove from heat and let cool. Your grenadine should look like this. All that's left is to bottle and refrigerate this vibrant syrup. It's good for 2 weeks. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, hit that like button and subscribe to my channel at Off the Clock Bartender. See you next time.